Are you an avid reader? Have you checked out Goodreads? Goodreads is an amazing social media platform that you should check out to find great book recommendations and reviews. Share the books that you've already read or are reading currently, and then what you think of them. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Goodreads account. So the way you need to get started is you will first open your browser. You will need to go to goodreads.com. And once you've done that, you will need to create an account. Right here, you will type in your name and then your email and then make a password. Once you have put the password in and logged in, you will have the option to find out recommendations from your friends from your Gmail or Facebook or send your own, or you can just click skip this step. And then you're prompted to the 2021 Reading Challenge. You could type in how many books that you're interested in reading in 2021 and then click Take the Challenge, or you can also just skip this step. When you get to this page, it will ask you certain genres that you're interested in reading. So you're just going to go down through and check the ones that you're interested in. And then once you do that, you're going to click Continue. And it will take you to the page. It will show you different books that come up in the categories that you chose. You'll be prompted to rate the books that you've read. So if you have read any of these books, you can do a star rating here. If you hover over it, it changes the star. And then you can just click what you feel the rating is from a 1 to 5. If you see a book that you haven't read but you're interested in reading, you might want to click the Want to Read button, and it'll automatically save it and put a green check mark beside it. So once you have gone down and looked at these books and you have rated 20 books, they can provide you with recommendations of other books that you would like to read in the future. So if you go over here, you can even sort by author. You can sort by the type or the name. So that once you're finished rating, you can click I'm finished rating. And what it will do, it will give you recommendations. I have not rated 20 books. That's why this is blank. But once you do, you will get those. You also have other options to see what other people have rated and recommendations. Then you can click Done here, see what's next, and it will take you to your main page. And on this page, it will show you trending books. You can connect with Facebook and see what other people want to read. You can see your book challenge here. You can see readers' information and good choice awards on the right-hand side. You also have the option up here when you click those books, it shows up My Books, and these are the books that you're interested in reading. And then you also have the browse here. There's a lot of other things that are involved with new releases, giveaway, awards, recommendations. And then you have the community here. And you have groups, discussions, quotes, trivia, quizzes, and those type of things. So once you're in here, I suggest that you just kind of click around and check it out. You do have options up here at the top for notifications, group discussions, messages, and then your friends that you could add. So it's really a neat thing for you to have a Goodreads account if you're someone who really likes to read books and check out other books to see what they're all about. You could even go to the Salem Public Library and just type in the title of the book and click search, and it will tell you whether it is available in the library or not. And if you have the plus, it will show you the other libraries that it's also available. So it's kind of nice that you have the option to look things up that way. So I hope you check out Goodreads if you really like to read books and you want to create that account and be able to have a little bit of interaction with others. I would suggest you check it out. Thanks.